Hi, this is Alex from 3D Chimera. Today I'm going to show you how to add custom material temperatures preloaded on your 3D printer. This way you'll be able to easily select the proper temperatures for any materials that you commonly print with. So we're going to be focusing on the Repetier Server Pro here, specifically linked up on any type of German RepRap printer. The machine I'm going to be working on today happens to be an X500. So this is the first page you look up when you type in your IP address for that machine. It'll come up here and you'll see your printer. So we're going to go here to printer settings. Under printer settings, we have a bunch of different settings here regarding how we connect and set up with our printer. We're not going to manipulate anything here on the front page. We are, though, going to go into this extruder panel. In the extruder panel, we'll be able to set our temperatures for whatever materials we want. So you can see here, we've preloaded a bunch of materials on our machine. Today we're going to make up a material. We'll call it made up material. And we're just going to pick some temperatures. So let's say that this particular made up material is going to print at a bed temperature, maybe similar to ABS. So let's say 110 degrees Celsius. We'd enter that in there. Just scrolling down here, we can see our extruder 1, which at this point isn't named. Extruder 1 is actually going to be the left extruder, so we'll go ahead and name that there. And we'll continue down. You can see we've got our other materials loaded here, so we'll add another one. We'll call it made up filament. And here we're going to pick an extrusion temperature. Who knows, maybe we'll pick 265. I think I called that made up material before. Stick that in there, and we'll keep going down. This is the extruder 2, which is going to be the right extruder, so I'll make sure to name that just for future reference. And I'll come down here and I'll add, again, made up material. The extrusion temperature on that side is going to be the same, so we'll enter that at 265. Now, extruder 3 is actually the chamber. So that's only going to be available for the X500. Here we'll name that chamber, and we'll continue down. And let's just say made up material, and the chamber temperature, maybe we want that to be at 60 degrees Celsius. All right, so from there, we'll scroll back onto the top. We'll hit Save Configuration. We'll head back to the printer. So that brings us into the printer mode here. If we were back on the home page, to get to that same spot, we would say Go to Printer. That brings this up. And if we did want to go back and adjust this again, Printer Settings is also available here. Now, to check and make sure that our temperatures are actually adjusted, we'll go into the Control Panel. We'll go into the Temperature Panel. You can see these are the names that we just created. Left, right, chamber. Heated bed was already there. When we open this up, we can see here we can preheat our machine up for made up material on both the left and the right, as well as the chamber, and if we wanted to, also the bed. And that's it. Pretty simple. We can see here the machine's starting to heat up on the left extruder, the right extruder, as well as the temperature, or the chamber. That's it. That's how it works. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. Certainly don't hesitate to reach out to support at 3D Chimera if you have any more questions. Thank you.